This is so good. Hey everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw and this is Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. If you like the sound of that, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you don't miss notifications for any of my upcoming videos. Fall is officially here, which means pumpkin everything. Pumpkin pie, pumpkin spice lattes. I heard on the radio today that they're even selling pumpkin spice meat seasoning, which I would totally try. I just love pumpkin. This week we are going to revisit one of my old recipes, Rice Krispie Treats. For St. Patrick's Day, we made some Cannabis Lucky Charms Rice Krispies Treats. They were cannabis-infused Rice Krispies Treats loaded full of Lucky Charms marshmallows. And if you want to see the video, I will put a link in the description. But today, since it is officially fall, we are going to make pumpkin pie Rice Krispies Treats. Rice Krispies Treats are always good no matter what you put in them because for 3 simple ingredients, butter, marshmallows, and Rice Krispies cereal, they're always delicious. But of course, because it is fall, we are going to add not just pumpkin pie spice, we are actually going to add some pumpkin puree into our Rice Krispies Treats. I like to make my Rice Krispies Treats with 6 tablespoons of butter total, so I am going to use 5 tablespoons of regular unsalted butter with 1 tablespoon of cannabis-infused butter. Melt that in a large saucepan and then add your pumpkin puree and heat it until it is warm. After that, we're going to add our pumpkin pie spice and our vanilla extract, give it a good mix, and then dump in all of your mini marshmallows. Continue stirring until all of your marshmallows are melted and all of your pumpkin puree and the pumpkin pie spice are mixed evenly throughout, and then pour your marshmallow mixture over your cereal. Make sure you use the largest bowl you can find because you also want extra room to be able to stir your mixture. Stir the marshmallow mixture into the cereal, making sure that all of the cereal is evenly coated, and then dump it into a 9x13 pan. I've already lined mine with parchment paper. Spread it into an even layer and then let it cool completely. If you're in a hurry like me and you can't wait until they're completely cool, they are also delicious warm and they're nice and gooey and they pull apart with all the marshmallowy goodness, but they won't stay in a little square if that's what you're going for. Once your Rice Krispies Treats are completely cool, we can use the parchment paper to lift them out of the pan and then cut them into 12 even pieces. I went ahead and put mine in a Halloween-themed cupcake liner just because I thought they were cute, but you can definitely just serve them as is. Oh my gosh, this smells so wonderful. It tastes like a pumpkin pie Rice Krispies treat. You can taste that pumpkin pie spice and the pumpkin just adds a little bit of richness and sweetness, and then of course you can taste the marshmallows, and I love the crispiness of the Rice Krispies cereal. I love this recipe because Rice Krispies treats are always so easy to whip up, but then adding the pumpkin pie spice and the pumpkin puree just makes them perfect for fall. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you guys ever want to help out by sending over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, go check out my Patreon page where you can get access to recipe sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, all kinds of fun stuff. There is a link in the description below. Thanks again for watching.